Hey everyone, Eric Whitley back for another L2L tips and tricks videos. Hey, if you had a really good idea within one particular manufacturing facility and knew you needed to share it across the world to all of your other sister plants that have the same process, L2L has a really cool feature in our Lean Tools module in our Yokoten feature. What you do is you create a Yokoten in L2L that tells all the rest of the plants what it is you've done, why it's such a good idea, where it actually applies, and then you go in and you assign the different facilities to that. When they come in and log into L2L the next day, they look at their Yokoten list, and that Yokoten list will then show up, and they will be able to see all of their new Yokotens that have been submitted from around the world, and then they decide whether or not they want to implement that with inside of their plant. So it's a really nice way to share good ideas across the company and across the entire enterprise around the world. It's all compact. It comes with documents, attachments, costs, action items. All of that can be attached to that Yokoten as well. So they know exactly what to do and how to implement. So very nice feature inside of L2L to be able to share ideas around the world. If you'd like to learn more about L2L's Lean module or anything else in L2L, go to L2L.com. Sign up for a free demo. We do them every month. You can just sit in and listen to it, no obligation, or go over to all of our social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. You can go to YouTube and check out all of these other videos and some really cool features there as well. So thanks for joining me. Eric Whitley, signing out.